South Cargolux 57 Kilo Heavy. We need delay vessels.
Cargolux 57 Kilo Heavy, turn right heading 040, what's the reason?
Right, 040. We have a flap problem. Cargolux 57 Kilo Heavy.
Cargolux 57 Kilo Heavy, airspeed is your discretion, let me know what you need.
We just need some time to, if we have a flap problem issue, we have to deal with Cargolux 57 Kilo Heavy. New York, Cargolux 57 Kilo Heavy, we need to do the checklist and then we will see what we do further. So we just like to stay at 4,000 over the sea, and we call you back when we to inform you about our further intentions.
So you want to stay at 4,000 for now?
For now, if it's better for you, we can climb as well to a higher altitude.
I just maintain 4,000 for now.
Roger, maintain 4,000. Cargolux 57 Kilo.
Cargolux 57 Kilo Heavy, climb maintain 5,000.
Climb maintain 5,000, Cargolux 57 Kilo Heavy.
Cargolux 57 Kilo Heavy, reduce speed to 210.
Reducing speed 210 knots, Cargolux 57 Kilo Heavy. Okay, Cargolux 57 Kilo Heavy, we have small technical problem with the flaps. We need to continue for the time being, speed 250 knots.
Cargolux 57 Kilo Heavy, that's approved. Turn left heading 300.
Yeah. Left heading 300, Cargolux 57 Kilo Heavy.
Yeah, Cargolux 57 Kilo Heavy, turn left heading 220.
Left heading 220, Cargolux 57 Kilo Heavy. Cargolux 57 Kilo Heavy request.
Cargolux 57 Kilo Heavy, say request.
Yeah, we're requesting runway 31 left for ending. Due to performance, we have a slight problem with the flaps.
Cargolux 57 Kilo Heavy, stand by, have your request. Fly heading of 150.
Left heading 150, Cargolux 57 Kilo Heavy, thank you.
Cargolux 57 Kilo Heavy, they're sweeping the runway now. It's going to be about 10 minute delay.
That is okay, Cargolux 57 Kilo Heavy, we have that.
Cargolux 57 Kilo Heavy, you want to keep the speed at 250 knots?
We have to do it this way. Now we have presently 265, that's the minimum.
Cargolux 57 Kilo Heavy, roger. Cargolux 57 Kilo Heavy, turn right heading 190.
Right heading 190, Cargolux 57 Kilo Heavy.
Cargolux 57 Kilo Heavy, turn right turn heading at 290, descend to maintain 2,000.
Right heading 290, descending 2,000, Cargolux 57 Kilo Heavy.
Cargolux 57 Kilo Heavy, they are just going to, they're going to put the ILS on 31 left. Are you ready to land?
Yes, Cargolux 57 Kilo Heavy.
Cargolux 57 Kilo Heavy, roger. Descend to maintain 2,000.
Descend to maintain 2,000, Cargolux 57 Kilo Heavy. You have to keep the speed until...
Cargolux 57 Kilo Heavy, I understand you have to keep the speed up. That speed is your discretion.
Thank you very much. We're starting to reduce now, Cargolux 57 Kilo Heavy.
Cargolux 57 Kilo Heavy, turn right heading 340 and step localizer 31 left.
Right heading 340, clear to intercept the localizer 31 left, Cargolux 57 Kilo Heavy.
Cargolux 57 Kilo Heavy, 10 miles from Meals, maintain 2,000 until stops on the localizer, cleared ILS runway 31 left approach.
Clear to the ILS 31 left approach, Cargolux 57 Kilo Heavy. And Cargolux 57 Kilo Heavy, can you pass on? We will need a fire brigade on standby.
You'll need what do you need on those runways?
A fire brigade on standby because we are coming down with the high speed and we are very heavy.
Cargolux 57 Kilo Heavy, roger.
Thank you, Andrew.
Cargolux 57 Kilo Heavy. I just need the fuel in pounds and souls on board.
We have 6 souls on board and the remaining fuel is 16 tons. Cargolux 57 Kilo Heavy, we will need to cancel the approach. We need additional time.
Cargolux 57 Kilo Heavy, roger, turn left turn heading 220.
Left heading 220, Cargolux 57 Kilo Heavy.
Cargolux 57 Kilo Heavy, clearance to cancel, flight heading 220, maintain 2000.
Heading 220, maintain 2000, Cargolux 57 Kilo Heavy.
Cargolux 57 Kilo Heavy, speed at discretion.
Thank you very much, Cargolux 57 Kilo Heavy. Cargolux 57 Kilo Heavy, we are ready for another try.
Cargolux 57 Kilo Heavy, roger, turn left heading 090.
Left heading 090, Cargolux 57 Kilo Heavy.
Cargolux 57 Kilo Heavy, turn left heading is 040.
Left heading 040, Cargolux 57 Kilo Heavy.
Cargolux 57 Kilo Heavy, I need the persons on board and fuel remaining in pounds.
Cargolux 57 Kilo Heavy, we have 6 persons on board for the time being. We have 15 tons. So it's around 30,000 pounds.
Thank you. Cargolux 57 Kilo Heavy, back to right heading is 090.
Right heading 090, Cargolux 57 Kilo Heavy.
Cargolux 57 Kilo Heavy, turn left heading is 040.
Left heading 040, Cargolux 57 Kilo Heavy.
Cargolux 57 Kilo Heavy, turn left heading 340.
Left heading 340, Cargolux 57
Cargolux 57 Kilo Heavy, turn left heading 240.
Left heading 240, Cargolux 57 Kilo Heavy.
Cargolux 57 Kilo Heavy, turn right heading 280, 7 miles from Meals, maintain 2000, so establish the localizer, cleared island, runway 31 left approach.
Right heading 280, cleared for the ILS 31 left, maintaining 2000, Cargolux 57 Kilo Heavy.
Cargolux 57 Kilo Heavy, contact Kennedy Tower, 119.1.
119.1, Cargolux 57 Kilo Heavy. Kennedy Tower, good morning, Cargolux 57 Kilo Heavy, ILS 31 left.
Cargolux 57 Kilo Heavy, Kennedy Tower, be advised, the equipment is standing by, wind 160 runway 31 left, clear to land.
Appreciate that very much, Cargolux 57 Kilo Heavy, clear to land, ILS runway 31 left, thank you. Cargolux 57 Kilo Heavy, that was a normal landing, just precaution please on the brakes for the standby equipment.
Cargolux 57 Kilo Heavy, roger, you're going to stop there and have them check the brakes?
They should just follow us and see if there is any development. For the time being everything is okay, but it was a very high speed, so just we need someone to look on the brakes and the wheels.
Cargolux 57 Kilo Heavy, roger, you can turn right when able and taxi to the ramp.
Thank you very much. Cargolux 57 Kilo Heavy, right to the ramp.